Hey folks, I'm just filming this right after I got done filming the previous video. Here it is, the Thunderbolt 100 watt solar panel from Harbor Freight. As you can see, you got your solar panels. Comes with a charge controller. I ain't pulling these out just to show you, but these do come in the box. This is a coupler cable I'll show you in a minute. These are two LED light bulbs. I've yet to try them in the dark, see how much light they produce. Here's the cable that you attach from this, plugs into that. And this you definitely need. These are cables that attach to a storage device like a battery. Alright, here's my Goal Zero, and as you can see, she's a charging. Okay, here's that adapter cable I just showed you. It's pretty long. I gave myself extra length just to make sure. Here's the coupler right here. Yep, each one attaches to each solar panel. Has brackets so you can juncture them up. I only have them at the top so you can see what's going on. So that's what they look like. They are glass, so they're pretty heavy as the kit. I have to look on the official weight, but yeah, these are definitely not monocrystalline or polycrystalline. These are amorphous, like you'd see like a solar powered calculator. These produce voltage or power in low light conditions. They're for bright light, they're not very efficient, I've been told, but hell, for the price, I ain't complaining. So there she is, 100 watters for 150 bucks. So there it is, like you do the math. 150 bucks. So that's like $1 something a watt, something like that. So there you go. There it is.